Hello, hello. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Hello, everyone. And buon pomeriggio, as they teach me. Yeah? Buon pomeriggio. I am Frédéric Langin, and I'm heading strategy, sales, and product marketing in TCL Europe. I am delighted to stand before you today, representing TCL as we participate into the Milan Design Week for the first time. This is the event that brings together the best of creativity and innovation across the globe. I can't stress enough how proud we are in TCL to be a part of the exhibitors this year. We've got some very exciting news to share with you today, but first, let's take a quick look back. More so than ever before, we are acutely aware of the fragility of our health and of the condition of our environment. Consumers are now looking for new ways for technology to meet their daily needs, allowing them to live smarter, healthier, and more seamlessly connected lives. From how we get our entertainment fix to the way we take care of ourselves, technology is continuously adapting to suit consumer evolving needs. You ask for more from your entertainment experience. So last year we delivered a 76% increase in large screen mini LED and QLED in the 65-inch and plus area, delivering total immersion and transporting audiences to new worlds. And speaking of immersion, launched at IFA 2022, just a while ago, our award-winning TCL Nextwear S wearable display glasses are now available in some selected countries in Europe. Recently, we have also demonstrated our edge over future AR experience with our TCL Rayneo X2 concept. With healthcare at the top of everyone's agenda, we introduced significant upgrades to protect you, our users, at all times. From gaining TUV Rhineland certification for TV and mobile eye care solutions, to introducing enhanced Fresh-In Plus AC technology, innovative hygiene feature in our washing machines, and fresh storage features in our refrigerators. We also recently launched our new TCL Nextpaper 11 tablet, equipped with our Nextpaper 2.0 technology, to offer a comfortable viewing experience in any condition at every angle. The screen is designed with multiple layers to limit blue light, yet still retain original true colors. This makes the screen safer and more comfortable to view. Anti-glare glass reduces reflect light to imitate the feel of paper, creating a distinctive paper-like texture. We know that homes are so much than just places to dwell. They have become co-working spaces, entertainment hubs, and sanctuaries. Making interior design is more important to you, our customer, than ever before. And with 28 industrial awards under our belts in the last year alone, we know that style goes hand-to-hand with substance. In today's world, it is a duty to be eco-sustainable in everything we do. In TCL, our actions in eco-sustainability are not new. We have planned them for a long time now. You ask us to be more accountable in everything we do. We not only listened, we acted. As highlighted in the TCL Technology ESG report from 2022, TCL Technology has invested more than $1 billion in environmental protection. We also saved 233 million tons of water. For people who are from Italy, that's the equivalent of the volume of Lake Orta in northern Italy. To move even further, we pledge to make significant reduction to our CO2 emissions and our natural gas, water, and power consumption by 2025. Through concrete commitments and our integrated vertical model, TCL aims to reduce its environmental impact and promote more sustainable manufacturing. We are taking a close look at how we do things, with a promise to ensure greener packaging practices, an increase in A-level rated energy home appliances, and the widespread adoption of more sustainable materials and natural energy sources in our manufacturing facilities. We are also committed into research and development in our teams. but also by supporting innovative and great initiatives, such as our partnership in France with the Polar Pod scientific expedition, led by the famous doctor and explorer Jean-Louis Etienne, to explore Southern Ocean and transmit new data and long-term observation to oceanographists, climatologists, biologists, and researchers. You can see our sustainability journey for yourself right here at Milan Design Week, if you stop by our Elements TCL Green Horizon exhibition, which really captures our ESG story to date. Most of you have seen it, I think, since now, through immersive artwork, interacting experiences, innovative products, and concept devices. We have imagined a future where nature and technology can go hand to hand and can coexist in harmony. You will also find an awe-inspiring piece by architect Kevin Shu, who is among us today, embodying the challenges of recycling electronic products. Make sure you check it out. Through our commitment to making life smarter, healthier, and more entertaining for the people who buy our products, and our pledge to build a greener, more sustainable world for generations to come, TCL has earned the trust and recognition of consumers all across the world. We are so proud to have become the top two brand globally last year. Thank you very much. Overall, we are beating the market trends big time. 5 years ago, I said, I'm proud of it, I said on the IFA stage in 2017 that I believe that TCL Europe had what it took to make it to the 3 in volume by 2023 in Europe. And guess what? I'm excited to say that we took up the challenge. We've been number 3 last year in Europe. Thank you. In fact, across the world and in Europe, we are seeing incredible results. In our region, we're already the number 2 TV brand in France, number 3 in the Czech Republic and Slovakia, and we have enjoyed significant growth in Poland, the UK, and Nordics, just to name a few. Some of our biggest fans are similarly based here in Italy, where we hold the number 3 position. So thank you to our Italian customers. So despite external factor in 2022, our sales volume in Europe recorded growth up to 5.3% year-on-year. TCL Mini LED also rose significantly, up by 26.6% year-on-year, globally. In terms of immersive and smart product offerings, we are the top TV brand for 98-inch TVs, and also for Android TVs. But we are far from done. These results only fuel our aspirations as we strive to increase our market share and make an impact, not just in the region, but around the world in 2023 and beyond. As you will see today, we're accelerating globally and particularly in Europe with our most ambitious marketing plan to date and even much better product. And now, we'll tell you how we are going to do that. Please welcome Olivier to introduce you our new range of products.
Thank you, Frederic. Thank you, Frederic, and hello everyone. Buonasera a tutti. So, when it comes to picture quality, nothing is more important than the screen itself or the TV itself, as you know it. Then here we bring the TCL latest generation of Mini LED. This latest generation, we call it generation number 5, that really sets the bar in terms of picture quality. It provides much better backlight and better backlight control than any other LCD TV, but it also means deeper blacks, brighter whites, without loss of any details. Using our really high efficiency Mini LED TVs, we achieve an HDR peak brightness of 2000 nits. Yes, 2000 nits. The result is really, what you can see on screen is a crystal clear display. Even in a broad daylight as today, the Mini LED stays perfect. This extreme contrast also provides real-world lighting effects as your eyes would see it. So you really never miss a detail with Mini LED. But accelerating this even further, the TCL Dynamic Alpha technology, that technology will detect the image and each local dimming zone at any time. So it maintains a really high brightness when we need it, but at the same time, it will reduce the light leakage, what we call the blooming effect, for example. You know, when there is low, dark, and bright scenes together. So no blooming anymore, no need to worry about overexposures, what we call clipping. No need to have this irritating halo anymore with Mini LED. So you will see a lot of improvement again this year. On top of it, as well as resulting in a better viewing experience, Mini LED is actually better for our planet. Why? Not only the LEDs are manufactured in a more energy efficient way, but also we can control and dim these Mini LED areas individually, independently, one by one. So it makes the power consumption much lower. That will dramatically reduce the power consumption compared to a traditional TV, let's say. Now, on top of that, our quantum dot technology, so QLED, result in even more realistic pictures. And a much better or broader spectrum of vivid colors on the screen. Guess what? 1 billion or more than 1 billion different colors, more than you could ever imagine. But also up to 97% DCI P3 color gamut, and also 100% color volume. So that really makes true-to-life picture quality on screen. Finally, with a 144 Hz native panel refresh rate, these screens also produce a far smoother picture, so when it moves, and especially compared to 60 Hz. So with a far superior picture quality, the scenes are much more clear, much more sharp, so no need to worry about the zigzagging, you know, the tearing, the blurring effect when you watch fast-moving scenes. Or even when you play video games, especially when you play games. So none of these amazing innovations would be possible without our R&D teams, of course, and without what we call our TCL vertical integration capabilities. In fact, since 2009, when we have established TCL CSOT, we have invested 39 billion US dollars since 2009. And as a pioneer in the display technology area, TCL, we have 9 panel production lines and 5 module bays across the world. So on top of that, TCL has also 43 dedicated R&D centers all around the world and more than 18,000 R&D professionals. Now, this passion for what we call innovation and picture quality result in more than 100,000 patents all across the world. And also, you should know that TCL has the second position in terms of quantum dot patents. So in the area of QLED, TCL is number 2, also in the patents. But as we know, picture quality is much more than display. It's also software, let's say. So here, we are really proud to introduce what we call AI Picture Quality, AI PQ Processor 3.0, a special chipset developed by TCL with high performance, machine learning to provide even a greater picture quality, especially when we combine it with Mini LED and QLED. This processor is including 5 breathtaking improvements, which are boosting really the viewing experience. Number 1, AI contrast, artificial intelligence contrast. It applies really lifelike light and dark effects to that image to reveal a depth and bright image. Number 2, AI color. It perceives the world and the colors via a library as exactly as your eyes would do it. And it automatically adjusts the color reproduction to that. Number 3, AI clarity. That one is also very important. It detects the motion, the picture brightness dimensions in the motion, and automatically selects an optimized combination of clarity enhancement and noise reduction. So the result is really sharp, clear-cut image. Number 4, AI contrast. Number 5, sorry, AI contrast. So this one is the motion part, which I just mentioned. And there is one more, AI HDR. So, sorry, number 5, AI HDR. So this one, AI HDR, will detect HDR, yes, whatever the content will be. So we already mentioned that during the pre-briefing. Dolby Vision, Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, IMAX, exactly as the director intended it. So in fact, as you can see, all these developments in terms of AI processing are really helping the picture quality, and that helps TCL to become one of the key leaders in picture quality. But in line with our consumer demand, and also as mentioned by Frederic, more and more consumers want more immersive experiences, right? So that's why we are really proud also today to launch our new 23 home theater lineup. So here we are introducing the C84 series or C8 series. This is our brand mini LED, mid-high-end product that really set the bar for even outstanding picture quality compared to last year. Based on our generation 5 of mini LED and on QLED, backed up by the AI PQ processor, the C84 is really an outstanding performance. I encourage you to have a look and to test it if you like. 2000 nits peak brightness, so very superior, great contrast. Also, it combines these elements together with Dolby Vision, Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10+, Dolby Atmos, IMAX, and much more. So all the movie lovers and the game lovers will really like this product. It also comes with, remember, the 144 Hertz native refresh rate and a 240 Hertz gaming accelerator mode. So TCL is really a leader in terms of refresh rate. We were the first one last year to bring the 144 Hertz, and now we are the first one to bring this 240 Hertz capability. So you never miss a detail or a movement. Then there are also exciting updates, not only in mini LED, but also in QLED. So here we are launching the C74, which is our best gaming TV to date. Yes, this 4K TV, QLED, has also an impressive native refresh rate of 144 Hertz. It includes also this 240 Hertz game accelerator, and it comes with full array local dimming. That's why we claim here 1000 nits peak brightness due to full array local dimming. So again, a superb contrast and a great experience for gamers and movie lovers. Not only this, the C7 series come with Game Master Pro 2.0. So it's a great feature of package for gamers to optimize the picture quality. So ALLM, auto low latency mode, less than 6 millisecond input lag when you play games. 144 Hertz VRR, 120 Hertz VRR, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and for example, gaming in Dolby Vision and much more. So that's really great TV for gaming. Now, The final update on our C series is also the C6, C645. It's equipped with TCL QLED technology for outstanding color reproduction, and that TV easily performs other QLED models at the same price range. So when it comes to great movie experience and gaming and sport watching, C6 is also a great choice. It is certified with Dolby Vision, Atmos, and it's an amazing value for money TV. It also comes with this 120 Hz game accelerator that you see here, HDR10+, so it really stands for it's a true value proposition for mid-high-end segment, let's say. Then, as you see, TCL is known really for having great, amazing picture quality, but in TCL, we also offer products that will give a great immersive audio experience. So this is to match, the picture performance. So in 2023, this year, we are really pleased to launch 2 new series, S64 Dolby Audio soundbars. So the first one is this S642. It's a 2.1 channel, high-quality soundbar with wireless subwoofer and 200-watt music power. The second one is S643. It's a 3.1 channel soundbar equipped with a subwoofer, a wireless subwoofer, the one you see here, and also 240-watt music power. All these innovations, let's say, these product launches, these concepts, these benefits, are the result of TCL really listening to our consumers. Then, that's why we are also really excited to launch a pretty big news for these consumers, for yourself and myself. It's a pretty big deal. Look, this is the TCL XL collection from 65-inch all the way up to 98-inch. So when you sit 3 meters away from this 98-inch, 3 meters away at home, you in fact have the same experience as you would sit in a middle row in a home theater in a cinema movie, and you have the experience, you feel that you have a 30-meter gigantic cinema screen in front of your eyes. It comes in 65, 75, 85, 98-inch options, and much more mini LED options in 98-inch before the end of the year. So our XL range, you could also say XXL range, really gives cinema-like immersion, viewing experience from the comfort of your living room, in your sofa. And there is no compromise on contrast or details. Now, let's talk a little bit about TCL domestic appliances, what we call white goods here also in Milan. So as you know, if you remember the pandemic, this pandemic has really shifted the consumer mindset, even the way we purchase our products. What we want today and what the consumers want is much more hygiene and comfort at home. So this is becoming more critical. So again, when we start with consumers in mind, as usual, TCL will offer a complete lineup of AC, air conditioning, with really key innovative features. First, the TCL Gentle Cool series, it incorporates great, powerful functions to really maintain harmonious and stable balanced temperature, cool and clean at home. Then our smart inverter technology, based on artificial intelligence, this one will ensure that your AC is your air conditioning system is really energy performant, and it will make our ACs even more eco and wallet friendly for your wallet. So to offer an even more healthier and smarter and more comfortable experience, we have also introduced a Fresh In series, you can see it here in Milan, with updated features and latest AC technologies inside. First, the Fresh In Plus, this one, will let you know when the fresh air in your room comes in a high status, and then it will direct the fresh air through the top panel to avoid, you know, shoulder feeling, cool shoulder feeling on your shoulders. Then, with this number 2 air engine high-powered level, it will refresh up to 60 cubic meters per hour. This is much more than what you need for such a room, for example. Then, number 3, with this 4-layer quadrupole filter, it includes an HEPA filter. It creates a very nice indoor environment filled with great oxygen levels. It maintains a comfortable temperature level. Number 4 is the temperature balancing function. The air goes through a heat exchanger, and the air can be cooled or heating up, so it's reversible, cool or heat, with a precision of plus or minus 0.5 degrees. So you get always a balanced temperature control. Then, TCL has recently also developed a new technology and a new feature, which is called, we call it a breathing functionality. So the AC will breathe. It will inhale, so it will absorb the fresh air, but also exhale the used air to ensure that your atmosphere at home, your atmosphere condition, is always fresh and comfortable. Last but not least, the fresh-in upgrades now come with a sensor, intelligent sensor, so it will detect in the air the volatile organic compounds, and it will initiate automatically a cycle to clean the air. So it's not just the air we want to breathe, right? But we want to be as fresh as possible. So same, let's say, for our groceries, and same for our laundry. Now, regarding the groceries, in the TCL refrigerators, we have a multi-airflow system, so it's an air system which will encircle the food to make sure that the food really stays fresh in the cool air longer, for a longer period. Then, in addition to that, we have also this AAT technology, automatic anion technology. We are adding a special material into the plastic inner lining of the fridge, tourmaline in fact, and it will allow further purification and antioxidation and anti-proliferation of the bacteria. Then finally, with this inverter compressor, the fridge will run at varying speed with much more pressure temperature management, and it will keep the food fresher longer by avoiding successive restarts. It's also more silent, more durable, and more economic in terms of energy consumption. Now, when it comes to laundry, our customers also expect the very best hygiene standards. So at TCL, we make every effort to really ensure the washing machines are eco-friendly. They are not only A-class in terms of energy consumption, they are also A-class in terms of noise level. So A-class for energy and A-class for noise. These latest washing machines are really, efficient. Then the P3 series machine have also an antibacterial gasket. So inside the door, there is a gasket which is coated with antibacterial material. And guess what? This is 99.9% resistant for bacteria. And also, 99.9. And also, it complies with what we call the zero-level mildew. So even if you have a bit of water in the gasket, there will be no mildew. That keeps really your laundry clean, hygienic. Then we have also this steam wash function to eliminate the stains and the most common bacteria. So your laundry will be really deeply hygienic, and also it will allow easier ironing of your laundry. Finally, with this special door here, we enlarge the door. We have more than 360 millimeter wide opening door, it makes it much easier to load and unload the laundry, of course. So as you can see, backed up by industry, more than 32 home appliances manufacturing bases, factories. We are launching a whole new range of products, and we really listen and target what the consumers want. So in addition, when you heard that product story, the consumer story, you will see and you know that we are also accelerating our brand development in Europe, particularly around sports and design. So now, I'm proud to welcome Easton, our marketing director. He will tell you much more on the brand development.
Good evening. My name is Easton Kim. Ooh, marketing director. Welcome to Milano. We just seen the Olivier's presentation that TCL products can surely deliver very amazing, exciting entertainment experiences, and also you can keep your healthier lifestyle. But today, as a marketing guy, want to talk more about the passion. What the consumers and the customers talk about on the more passion point. At TCL, we are committed to developing technology that empowers our users to pursue their passions and greatness in their daily lives. And the question is, what are our customers most passionate about? We call it in marketing word passion point. What do you guess? Any guess? Sport. Yes, it's a sport. Personally, I prefer this. I'm a boring guy, but it's a sport. As a loyal sports enthusiast, as a TCL, we understand how sports touch the lives of so many. And becoming a fan of a team makes us all feel a part of something greater. And we would like to announce that we are partnering with the greatest team, one of the greatest team, Italian team. And it's a TCL's mission to inspire greatness, to partnering with the greatest teams in the world, and also bringing value to our channel partners. As you can see, I don't know if you are familiar with, but we are also main sponsor of NFL. AFL is Australian Football League. Also, we are partner with Latin American, the Professional League, and so more. And we also ensure that the TCL's sports sponsorship are as diverse as possible. Of course, we want to meet the more fans need, more fans' interest. Yeah, we are proud to be a global partner of FIBA, and we are looking forward to upcoming FIBA Basketball Championship in 2023 in Asia, first time ever. And we are also partnering with the 4 greatest football players, such as Pedri, Rodrigo, Phil Foden, and Rafael Varane. These athletes really capture the spirit of what it means to be a champion. We also just made, actually this year, we just made a sponsorship contract with Arsenal, one of the most iconic football clubs in the world. And we are also partnering 5 national teams, and 4 of them is in Europe. One is Italian team, Spanish national team, French rugby team, Czech national football team, and Brazilian national football team we are partnering with. And I think that someone you know very well here in Italy has a message for us today. He will speak soon. Of it. I hope I can speak some Italian today and speak instead of him. Okay, let's move on.
Welcome to Italy. I'm sorry
here we
I
go.
can't be there with you to celebrate our partnership and the launch of the new TCL products, but I'm delighted to share this moment with you. The Italian Football Federation is happy to welcome TCL, the global top 2 TV brand, to our family of partners. This new partnership represents an exciting opportunity to engage with our supporters and bring our fans the best immersive viewing experience. Thanks to the fantastic TCL mini LED technology and their 98-inch screen experience, watching the Azzurri and Azzurre play will be like never before. TCL has always shown a continuing commitment to inspiring greatness through sports partnership. We are proud to be a part of that mission. Sport brings people together and create unforgettable moments. And now we can make more of those moments with TCL's support for our fans. Enjoy the Milan Design Week event and your stay in Milan. We are excited to start this journey with TCL and can't wait to see what the future holds. Forza Italia e TCL. Ciao.
Thank you, Roberto. Yeah, as you can see, we are really passionate. We would like to share the passions with our customers and consumers with the football. Yeah, I think most of European people love the football the most, right? Am I right? Or some other sports? Basketball? No. Don't forget we are partner of FIFA. Yeah? Okay, so beside the football, we are actually also partnering with the handball team in the Győr, the handball team in Hungary. We are also partnering with the local champions of the Zagreb handball team in Croatia. And as you can see, we have very ambitious marketing plans, and this is our strong growth intentions in Europe. Through this sponsorship, we would like to share exciting moments to sports fans and their passions. And I believe it can be same to be said for the art and design. And to tell you more, Tiago.
Thank you. Thank you, Easton. Ciao a tutto, buon pomeriggio. Indeed, yeah, we all love sports, but where we are on Milan Design Week. So, what are you going to talk about now for closing the session? Design. Easy. It's true. Athletes, indeed, they push their physical limits to cross their boundaries, as us designers that push the boundaries of innovation and creativity to make sure that we deliver a beautiful and an harmonious experience to the world. TCL knows that product design is a fundamental advantage attribute to our customers, that they seek to stay inspired on daily lives. Especially here, during the Milan Design Week event, you for sure have a chance to see a plenty of new and discover concepts from many fields. To may one day these concepts become indispensable objects on our daily lives. As you will see in Milan, our customer needs and tastes are constantly evolving, with increased expectation for products not only to serve a purpose, but to smoothly fit the look and feel of our existence. At TCL, we aspire to create outstanding, intuitive products that serve both functional and aesthetic desires to suit a large diversity of usage and environments, while we need to retain our compromise to sustainability. Our design ethos is grounded around TCL years of technical expertise. As we have been developing and understanding about our customer needs and vision for the future, we aim to combine and to create a truly inspirational and accessible products that serve millions worldwide. At TCL, we are working on these on the daily day. For where I come from the Design Innovation Center, that you can name it DIC. So at DIC, we bring together a team of extraordinary and multidisciplinary designers that names for design strategy, product design, visual design communication, user and research, and other more. So what we do in our office? So in our office, we look to unpack what is the social cultural trends and lifestyle. DIC take these trends and insights and we transform in design and design directions. Afterwards, we deliver what we name it a unique design language across our product category. And not just language, as well experience is tailored that to be consistent around the product category. And today we are at Milan Design Week, so I'm proud to disclose that in 2022, as Fred mentioned, we gained 28 design awards. They are international design awards. So please just help me on these. A round of applause for the design team, please. Thank you, thank you. Bear in mind, this is not an easy job. This is a well-known and very difficult to get. They are the top leading associations from Europe, Asia, and America. So when they endorse us with a recognition of value, it's because we are delivering the best possible experience in products for our customers. DIC works and lands on every product and experience that we are doing that is displayed here at Milan Design Week as part of our Elements TCL Design Green Horizon. You can discover the source of our inspiration and our visions embodied by our design innovation concepts that express our beliefs for a better tomorrow. So now I will disclose to you 3 concepts. Let's take a look on the first one. The name is TCL Art Series. Well, you might saw this one before that was unveiled back at the end of 2022, but we are at Milan Design Week and we cannot let not showing this again because it's lovely and blends with the environment and is all about design and aesthetics and interior to best perform art TV content. So this was designed with the modern family in the center. Minimalist aesthetics with the usage of natural materials that as well can be suitable and customizable. The idea is you can upgrade the frames, as well you can upgrade the wood veneer. So on the soundbar here, you can change and customize according to your taste. So this is very versatile, but versatile and flexibility is not just about aesthetics. We also need to look to our customers is looking to. So there is several scenarios, and those that they play with the sound, they are very fundamental. So to easily transform a setup, you need to have an ability to detach the wireless Atmos speakers, like this. So once you detach the wireless Atmos speakers here, you can place them around the sofa, from the soundbar to around the sofa, and now you can really deliver a true surround and immersive sound experience. And this is on the go and simple. As well, if you are in a rush to see FIBA or other sponsors that we are doing on the content, but normally they broadcast on live, you can just grab one of the rounded speakers, run to the kitchen, get that bite or get that drink, and you can still get the live content meanwhile you are going there. And in a more setted and simple setup that you might want to chill and enjoy the content, but you are not willing to disturb others that they are in the living room with you. So you can just press in the mute mode, and this is gonna create the sound bar that's gonna switch off the sound, and you can carry the speakers, you can still enjoy the content of TV, but then the speaker is gonna just delivering the sound to you. Second concept, in the same style, looking to bring dynamic and more versatile experience to our lives, at DIC, we developed TCL Dune. So it's simple, compact, but amazing because we're talking about a 32 flexible, rotatable, and detachable LCD touchscreen. This additionally integrates here down a battery that makes possible an entertainment on the go. You can carry around. So with TCL Dune, you can say, you know, goodbye cables and hello convenience. And the third and the close. This is our latest and the first time unveiled. This is extremely important for us because we are humbled to be at Milan Design Week, at Salon del Mobile, so we are unveiled the first TCL interactive table. Stay tuned, see the video. Yeah, this is Tele. So Tele, it was conceived with the family and the relations at the center. So the idea is to create human interaction with this table. So what we want to create, we want to groom social habits at home. So how this indeed works. So Tele has the ability to detect human presence and light up this type of UI that will maybe disrupt to interact with the table. So once you are disrupted, you can interact in a different, diverse way. Persons can be engaging by doing activities like playing games or sharing photos or other sort of experiences. But if you are more on watching a movie, of course we have extending TVs, but the ability of Tele allows you to rotate it, and you can watch the content from a 43-inch screen. And to set like that desired atmosphere when you arrive home and you are tired, but you still want to praise yourself with the good setup, how about the connection between screen, sound, and light to create a mood? So, you know, fireplace, romantic atmosphere, check. So the concepts that were unveiled, bear in mind, they are all just concepts, what I've been disclosing to you now. Indeed, we aim to pursue for furthermore development, but this shows our commitment and ability to put user-centric innovation at place. Everything you're seeing today signifies where TCL has been and what we have learned along the way, but most importantly, where we are heading to. Every time guided by the needs of our customers and the responsibility to our planet and our mission to inspire greatness to everyone. Now, I invite you to discover our Elements TCL Green Horizon exhibition. And here you can see our latest products, our latest concepts, and I hope you enjoy the presentation. I will just call as well Fred to join me to say last words to you. Bye-bye.
So don't worry, can you hear me? Yeah, don't worry, it's going to be short because it's already nearly 1 hour. So I hope you enjoyed the press conference as much as we enjoyed to prepare it and to do it. You are here in our exhibition, in our house, for the duration of the Design Week. So please stay here with us. There's some cocktail also. We can have a drink, exchange ideas. You can have questions for Olivier, Thiago, Easton, or myself. And really, really happy to be here. I wish you a lovely evening, a lovely week in Milan. Thank you very much.